2025 Ram 1500 RHO is setting new standards in Ram's sport truck lineup. While not a direct replacement for the outgoing TRX, the RHO is crafted to stand at the top, joining the ranks of the Rebel, Warlock, and Power Wagon models. With a lower price and slightly reduced performance compared to the TRX, the RHO is designed for a unique balance of power, agility, and advanced features. At its core, the RHO houses the high-output version of Stellantis' Hurricane engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This turbocharged 3-liter inline-six engine delivers an impressive 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque. It propels the truck from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds, hitting 100 miles per hour in 11.7 seconds. For those keen on quarter-mile stats, the RHO achieves this in 13.1 seconds at 105 miles per hour, with a top speed reaching 118 miles per hour. What makes the RHO stand out is not only its speed, but also its handling and resilience. This truck is fitted with Bilstein's Blackhawk E2 adaptive performance shocks, renowned for their quality on the TRX, but fine-tuned here for the RHO's lighter Hurricane engine. The vehicle also boasts forged aluminum front upper and lower control arms, adjusted spring rates, active performance damping, and a 2-inch lift compared to other models in the 1500 lineup. The rear axle offers up to 14 inches of travel, supported by a robust Dana 60 rear axle and an electronic differential for better traction. The RHO's design is striking with its wider build, gaining an extra 8 inches over the standard 1500 due to oversized composite fender flares and a 6-inch broader track. Unique design elements like an exclusive hood, grille with a larger badge, LED headlights, and steel bumpers give it a bold presence. Buyers can choose between full-length rock rails or powder-coated aluminum running boards, while beadlock wheels and 35-inch tires provide rugged capability. Inside, the RHO combines comfort and technology. The leather seats are heated, ventilated, and offer massage functions for maximum comfort. Drivers are greeted by a 12.3-inch digital instrument display, a 14.5-inch touchscreen with the Uconnect 5 infotainment system, and a 10.25-inch screen for the passenger with HDMI capability. Despite its off-road capabilities, the RHO handles towing up to 8,380 pounds and carries a payload of 1,520 pounds. With 11.8 inches of ground clearance and the ability to ford 32 inches of water, the 2025 Ram 1500 RHO is ready for any challenge. Pricing starts at $71,990, making this powerhouse a compelling addition to Ram's lineup.